Welcome to this featured demonstration of the Hardcat grid screen. To access a Hardcat asset grid screen, it's as simple as going Lists, Assets, or our asset icon. The Hardcat grid screen is a multifunctional, a very powerful system feature which allows users in a centralized place to do multiple activities, including fixed reporting, custom reporting, ability to export data out either using a fixed export template or a grid export functionality, ability to do bulk update assets, or run charts based around predefined search results. Our grid screen also has other capabilities as ability to jump or transition to other areas within the system. We have the ability to load save searches and the ability for users to create new save searches, or if you want to use a more streamlined way of searching, our quick search functionality at the top. Our searching capability also includes ability to do multifaceted searching based around and style searching or style searching. And style searching is where all the criteria have to be true, and match on any one more of the following is when any of the criteria could be true. This searching is available to be searched on any field pretty much within the asset module, including presets. With our grid screen, users have the ability to view asset data on the grid screen. The asset grid screen is customizable to each individual user. Fields can be easily added or removed from the grid screen. To add a field in, it's as simple as clicking or ticking the field next to the field you wish to display on the screen and clicking apply. This has now added that field to our grid screen. Users can easily move fields around and change positions of fields based around their choosing just by simply clicking on the column heading and moving it to the position which they choose. Columns of data can also be easily resorted by clicking on the column title, which will then sort the data based around the column title selected. Other functionality which is available to our grid screen is ability to drop individual records from a search. We have the view functionality, which will print a PDF for the selected asset, or we also have a multi-select functionality where we could multi-select and click on the view button, which will then provide reports for the selected outputted reports. As we can see here, 4 assets were selected. We have 4 individual PDFs now presented. We can edit records by either selecting the record and clicking edit. We can create new records by clicking new. For efficiency, we also have a copy button. We also have the ability to delete records, send, which will send the PDF record to a nominated person or email, or save it to file. We can easily add unit values to asset records. So for example, kilometers, temperature, or other unit readings. We can add costs such as toll values, servicing costs, or other operational costs of an asset directly from the screen. We also have the ability to bulk delete as well. So based around a search result of assets, we can delete those assets from the system via a very quick and easy bulk delete functionality. The features and functions are also linked to the security profile. So if your user does not have the rights to delete and bulk delete buttons will not be available on the screen. If you do not have create rights, the new and copy buttons will not be available. If you do not have edit rights, you will not be able to edit the asset either.